As we moved towards the eastern part of the Indian mainland, we reached the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These islands are world famous for its breathtaking views and beautiful beaches. It also has one of the world's dense rainforest, as well as aquatic flora, which is a home for the highest number of endemic bird species in India. The journey to explore these endemic birds was quite amazing. Andaman Woodpecker is a large, unmistakable black woodpecker with a red crest. It has long, dark bill and strikingly pale eyes. It basically found in mangroves and evergreen forests. Andaman Flowerpecker is a tiny bird with a slim, dark, curved bill. The upperparts are olive green, and the pale underparts have a smudge of yellow on the belly. Andaman Cockle is a large, pale brown, ground-dwelling bird with rusty wings and back. It skulks in bushes and low cover, where it moves clumsily, as it searches for small invertebrates, small mammals, and birds to prey on. White-headed starling is a distinctive bird with a white head, white breast, and grey back. It has yellow legs and a pale bill. Starling's outer tail feathers and lower back are greyish-white on birds in the Andamans, and reddish-brown on birds in the Nicobar Islands. Andaman Teal is a small brown duck with a pale throat and scalloped plumage. The face is sometimes all white, but always has a white eye ring. Andaman Teal is quite gregarious and likes to gather in marshy water bodies. It basically likes to nest in tree holes. Andaman Bauble is a plain, rotund bird with a dark forehead, face, and throat. The upperparts are greenish, and a dark olive edges to the wings, and the dark tail band. Andaman Cuckoo Shrike is a stocky, medium-sized bird with a heavy, dark bill. It is similar to large cuckoo shrike, but the Andaman Cuckoo Shrike is slightly smaller, slimmer, and darker grey on the upperparts. Hume's Hawkel is a medium-sized, dark brown owl, with distinctive yellow eyes. It has small white spot between the eyes. The lower belly of the bird may often be paler, and show some barring. Andaman Crow is a relatively large, rust-colored bird, with a pale bill, and barred black and white underparts. It's basically very shy, and skulking in dense woodland, where it forages on the wet, forest floor. Andaman Trippy is a slender, medium-sized dark bird, with a long tail. The face, wings, and tail are black, while the underparts and back are reddish-brown. Andaman Scope Owl is a small, dark owl with bright yellow eyes and a yellow bill. It has the lack of streaking on the underparts and the small, pale flecks on the upperparts. Andaman Green Pigeon is a large, dull green pigeon, with a thick pale bill and a grey forehead. It has the dark olive-green wings, and contrasting yellow lines below the shoulders. Andaman Hawkel is a compact owl, with brownish face and upperparts. It has the bold, rust-colored streaks running down the underparts. The vent is usually white, and the tail has bars running across it. Andaman Drongo is a medium-sized, dark drongo, with a strong bill and a deeply forked tail, with tips curling outwards. It basically inhabits in forests and forest edges, where it hawks for insects under the canopy. Andaman Charmer is a large, long-legged, long-tailed robin-like bird. The face, breast, wings, and tail of the bird are glossy black, while the belly, lower back, and undertail are white. Andaman Mastal is a medium-sized owl, with a prominent facial disc. It's very similar to the barn owl, but smaller and much browner overall, with darker upperparts, and heavily spotted pale brown underparts. Andaman Serpent Eagle is a relatively small, uniformly dark brown eagle, with a contrasting bright yellow bare patch between the eye and the bill. The underparts are speckled, with small white spots. Andaman Wood Pigeon is a large pigeon, with dark grey upperparts, and pale grey head and underparts. It has pale yellow bill, the reddish bare skin around the eye, and the silvery neck, with blackish bars. Andaman Cuckoo Dove is a slim, long-tailed dove, with small head and legs. It is rust-colored throughout with faint barring around the neck and breast. Andaman nycha is a dark, medium-sized bird, with a somewhat long tail and wings. The crown and back of the bird are markedly paler grey, and the white throat patch can sometimes be hidden. Narcondum hornbill is a small hornbill, with a black body, a white tail, and a strong pale bill with a flat, grooved casque on top. The male has a rust-colored head and breast, while the female's head and breast are black. It is one of the rarest birds of the world and found only on Andaman Island. It basically feeds on berries and fruits in tall trees. Nature at the best has traveled length and breadth of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. During our journey, we are amazed to see different birds, unexplored beaches, beautiful islands, lush green creeks, and untouched marine biodiversity. In our upcoming documentaries, we will continue our journey to explore these islands. We are ending our journey for the endemic birds of Andaman Islands, which is no doubt a paradise of endemic birds.